What do you get when a 1940s industrial designer and a modern hot rodder try to build a time machine out of a bus? You get the 1941 Western Flyer Motorhome. And no, your eyes aren't broken. It really looks like that. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Cool Ideas, the only car channel where the vehicles are weird, the hosts are weirder, and my neighbor Bob thinks every recreational vehicle has been secretly built by aliens to monitor his potato crops. Now Timmy, God bless him, once tried to build his own motorhome using 2 beer fridges, duct tape, and a mattress he found at a bus stop. Let's just say the only thing that ran in that camper was the odor. But compared to today's feature, even Timmy's rolling disaster looks like a Pinterest success story. Before we hit the road with the Western Flyer, smash that subscribe button like it's a mosquito in your sleeping bag. Trust me, this channel is better than your neighbor's advice on how to purify gasoline with essential oils. Let's talk about the 1941 Western Flyer Stevens Ledbetter motorhome. This is a vehicle so rare, so flamboyant, and so unapologetically strange, it makes modern recreational vehicles look like beige hotel rooms on wheels. Originally dreamed up by industrial design rock star Brooks Stevens, the same guy who designed the Wienermobile, the Jeep Wagoneer, and something that turns from car to boat called the Lakester, because apparently the man refused to make anything with just one purpose. Legend has it only 1 or maybe 2 Western Flyers were ever made, and only this one survived, kind of like Bob's first wife. Now, the original purpose of this recreational vehicle? That's as murky as Timmy's explanation of how he accidentally ended up in Latvia. Some say it was built for the 1939 to 1940 New York World's Fair. Others swear it was made for Win Campbell of the Campbell Baking Company. But here's where the plot thickens like expired recreational vehicle. Chile. In 2010, hot rod builder Howdy Ledbetter finds it as little more than a metallic skeleton like a recreational vehicle. Crime scene. And instead of donating it to a museum or using it as a chicken coop like Timmy suggested, Ledbetter goes full mad scientist. He chops the shell in half, stretches it 47 inches, 119 centimeters, drops it on a 1996 Ford motorhome chassis and installs a 7.5-liter, 7,500 cubic centimeters Ford 460 V8 8-cylinder V engine with 350 horsepower, 261 kilowatts, paired with automatic overdrive transmission with overdrive gear. That's not restoration, that's resurrection with a side of Frankenstein. On the outside, you've still got that stunning Art Deco design, curved aluminum body, a modified Ford cab-over engine, grille, and yes, a Buick headlamp stuck above the windshield like a misplaced Cyclops eye. I believe that gives it even more personality, though Timmy thinks it's the eye of Sauron. He's been reading too many forums again. Inside, it's a cozy little time capsule, queen-size bed, full kitchen with a gas stove, fridge freezer, sink with running water, lounge dining area, and air conditioning with extra roof fans because, well, it's from the 1940s and it gets hotter than my mother-in-law's opinions in there. The power windows? Total flex. You can feel the 1940s weeping from the beyond. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This is just a weird old recreational vehicle. Who cares? Well, collectors sure did. This motorhome popped up for sale twice in recent years, once for $150,000 and another time for $70,000. That's right. In the same financial universe where people fight over used minivans, someone looked at a 1941 Western Flyer and said, "Yes, I want the diesel-powered submarine on wheels." So what's the moral of the story here? The 1941 Western Flyer isn't just a vehicle. It's a mobile sculpture, a tribute to an era when design had guts, engines were measured in gallons, and nobody used the word minimalist unless they were insulting the neighbors. If you want to see this mechanical masterpiece in motion, check out the video tour from the 10,000 Lakes Concorde Elegance. Links in the description. And hey, if you enjoyed this ride through madness and motorhomes, consider becoming a channel sponsor for just $1. Your support helps us keep Timmy out of jail and Bob out of the comment section. See you in the next one, folks. And remember, if your neighbor says he's customizing a time machine in the backyard, don't laugh. He might just be building the next Western Flyer.